what's happening, guys. Today we are going to change the air filter in the 2002 Kymco People 150. So on the left hand side of the bike we got 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 is missing. That's cool. So alright, and there is our air filter. Which is also missing screws. So on the inside, that's what matters. That looks pretty good. The outside, that's pretty shitty. So what we're going to do is get our air compressor out, and we'll blow all the stuff. We'll blow it out this way, backwards. And that's how you do that. And that looks good to me. Way better than it was. Like I said, it's clean on the inside, so you can do this every time you change your oil. I live in the desert, so it gets a little dustier out here. If you live like in the country on a dirt road or something, definitely do it every time you change your oil, if not more. And then that's it. Put it back together. Play the video in reverse. Our cover all put back on. Our air cleaner's in there, and let's see what happens. There she is. How about that duct tape job, huh? That's custom. One man's treasure, right? Alright, guys. Thanks a whole lot for watching this video. Like, share, and subscribe if you could. That would be great. But yeah, thanks for watching.